my last question here, I start off with my ellipse. And one of the tricky things here is I don't know exactly where this point is. Okay? I know that I have a vertex at 0, 5, and I know that this is a vertex instead of a covertex because my foci run along our y-axis. Okay? Now, I know also that my equation is going to be x squared over something plus y squared over something equals 1. So let's start off by filling in the information we know. Well, first of all, since our ellipse, our foci are vertically, that means my longer direction is vertical. My ellipse is more vertical. So my number underneath the y squared has to be my vertex squared. This is 0, 5. 5 squared is 25. I need to have this. Well, I have to figure out what number really goes with the x squared. And in order to figure that out, I can still use that information that our covertex, wherever this is, our origin, and the focus form a right triangle. We're just really kind of doing this, I guess, kind of backwards from what we did before. I'm going to pull this triangle out to the side again. Here's my right triangle. I don't know this horizontal length, but I do know this vertical length is 2. And this hypotenuse is really the same as the distance from my vertex to the origin. Okay? So my hypotenuse is 5. If I use your Pythagorean theorem, 2 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared, I can figure out that horizontal length and figure out where my covertices are. 4 plus b squared equals 25. B squared is 21. And b is the square root of 21. So we're the square root of 21 all the way out here. The nice thing is, I really don't even need to try to simplify this radical. Square root of 21 doesn't anyway. But I don't even need to try to simplify because when I put it back in my equation, I have to square it anyway. So x squared over square root of 21 squared is 21 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. That's my equation.